everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to print flashcard sets. So let's get started. To begin printing flashcard sets that you have already created, go to Saved in the top banner and click Flashcard Sets from the drop-down menu. Choose the flashcard set you'd like to print and click the title. This will display all the flashcards in the set. In the top left corner, you can click Edit to change any of the text, or click Reorder to change the order of the flashcards before printing. Once you have made any necessary changes, click Print to continue to the print settings. Here you can choose what style you'd like to print your flashcard in. You can change the font, choose the color, and decide how many images you want per page. Once that is all set, click the blue Print Flashcards button at the bottom. A PDF version of your flashcards will open in another tab. Look for the print icon in the top right corner, finalize any changes, and click Print to print the flashcard set. If a PDF does not open for you, make sure to allow pop-ups in your browser's settings. That's it for this video on how to print flashcard sets. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.